Our stories transcend myth and legend. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow storytellers, I extend to you a warm and heartfelt welcome as we gather to explore the profound theme that our stories transcend myth and legend. In the timeless tapestry of human history, our narratives have served as guiding lights weaving through cultures, generations, and continents. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery, embracing the rich diversity of the tales that shape our understanding of the world. As we delve into the depths of myth and legend, let us remember that our stories are not confined by the boundaries of time or imagination. They transcend the limits of the mundane, resonating with universal truths and enduring wisdom. So let us open our hearts and minds to the power of storytelling, for in our hearts lies the stories lie the keys to unlocking the mysteries of our past, present, and future. Welcome, dear friends, to a celebration of the boundless spirit of human creativity and imagination. Being a descendant of the Wanganui River is not only a matter of heritage, but also a profound connection to the land, culture, and traditions that have sustained generations, highlighting its vital importance in shaping your identity and sense of belonging. I have chosen to elaborate on the Motiata Tupua Te Kawa as its lyrical beauty and cultural heritage offer an eloquent gateway to explore the themes of tradition, identity, and resilience, aiming to evoke a deeper appreciation among my audience. Ko te awa te mata puna o te ora. The river is the source of spiritual and physical sustenance. In this sentence, we understand and believe that Te Awa Tupua is a physical and spiritual entity, maintaining both the life and natural resources within the river, and the oranga of the iwi, hapu, and other communities of the river. E rere kau mai te awa nui mai te kāhui maunga ki Tangaroa. The great river flows from the mountain to the sea. Te Awa Tupua is an indivisible and living entity from the mountains to the sea, embodying Te Awa Tupua in all of its physical and metaphysical elements. Ko au te awa, ko te awa ko au. I am the river, and the river is me. The iwi and hapu of the Wanganui River have an inviolable connection with and responsibility to Te Awa Tupua and its oranga tonutanga. Ngā manga e ti, ngā manga nui e honohono kauwana, ka hono ka tipu hei awa Tupua. The small and large streams that flow into one another and form one river. Te Awa Tupua is a living entity, is a singular entity Te Awa Tupua is a singular entity made of many elements and communities, working collaboratively for the common justification of the physical and spiritual health and well-being of Te Awa Tupua. These whakatauki together form what we know as the Motiata Tupua Te Kawa. E te whānau, imagine a river that flows not only with water, but with the stories, tradition, and essence of a culture. Today, I stand before you to shed light on the majestic Wanganui River, a living entity revered by the Indigenous people of New Zealand, the Māori. This river is not just a geographical feature, but a spiritual and cultural lifeline, embodying centuries of history and connection to the land. Join me as we delve into the significance of the Wanganui River and explore its profound impact on the people and landscape it traverses. The legend of the Wanganui River. In my belief, the creation of the Wanganui River is intricately tied with the mythic narratives of Tongariro and Taranaki, whose legendary battles shape the landscape, forming rivers, mountains, and valleys. Their dynamic interaction, I believe, contributed to the shaping of the land, including the formation of the Wanganui River. However, I respect that others may hold their own beliefs or stories about the river's origin, as cultural diversity and individual perspectives enrich our understanding of the world around us. Each narrative holds its own significance and validity within the tapestry of human experience, allowing for a broader appreciation of the complexities of our natural and cultural significance. The legend of the Wanganui River intertwines with the majestic landscape of Taranaki, Tongariro, and Pihanga, creating a narrative rich in cultural significance. According to Māori traditions, these mountains were once living beings competing for the love of the beautiful Pihanga. In the centre of Te Kao Maui once stood the Herculean Mountains, Ruapehu, Ngāuru Hoi, Tongariro, Taranaki, together with the beautiful maiden Pihanga. All the mountains were infatuated with Pihanga, that it was the venerable Tongariro whom she chose to be her husband. During the time when the great mountains, Tongariro and Taranaki, came into altercation and combat over the love of the graceful and stunning Mount Pihanga, a mighty battle ensued. The brutal and gruesome battle between Tongariro and Taranaki resulted in Tongariro emerging victorious. Taranaki, heartbroken, defeated, wild with grief and anger at the loss of his love, ripped himself from the ground, carving a path through the country to the setting sun. Shortly after the fearsome battle, a stream of clear water sprung from Tongariro, which filled and healed the wound Taranaki had made in his flight toward the ocean. Beautiful green forest, flooded with the delightful and pleasing songs of birds, grew throughout the valley of this new river, known as Te Awatupua o Wanganui. The river, often called Te Awatupua, is thus seen as a manifestation of Taranaki's sorrowful journey. This tale not only encapsulates the power of nature, but also the deep spiritual connection Māori have with their environment, where every mountain, landform, and river holds a story of love, loss, and resilience. To conclude my speech, I leave you with this. Through love, loss, and resilience opens a new path in life. You may lose the one person you love the most, but at the end of the day, it's your resilience that gets you through those tough times in life. Ka pake ki te haere, kaua e he mo.
Kia ora, aiki taiki, arohoma, homa te paki paki, morale. In Iron name.